Now we're going to get into adding a sensor. The first thing is, let's look at the actual sensor. We would have received the devices in plastic bags, so we're going to open the plastic bags up and we're going to have these pieces. We're going to insert the battery, and it's clearly we're going to put the negative side down and the plus side up. This is the main sensor itself. We've got the back, and then we've also got the magnet. It is really as simple as just inserting the battery and then covering the unit, and the back just snaps on. And now I've got these two pieces, and they are going to line up once we get it programmed into the base unit. So now let's get into the base unit, and we're back to the base unit and the settings page. And on the settings page, we're going to hit sensor. We're going to push add a sensor, and on the sensor itself, we're just simply going to push the sensor at the top. Just simply push, and it's going to make the noise and learn in. We're going to say that it's a door. We're going to say that it's the front door, and instant and delayed is our two options. Instant means when that door opens, I want it to trip immediately under all circumstances. Delayed means this is going to be a door that I'm able to come in and out of with a 60-second exit delay and a 30-second entry delay. So obviously my front door is going to be something that I want a delay on. And how do I want that door to acknowledge if the chime feature is on? This is something unique. So I might want my back door to make a different noise than my front door, and I can alert by different noises. So the different noises, I've got bells. That might be my front door when it opens. So I'm going to make ding dong as my front door sound, and I'm going to say done, and now my sensor is in there. It is that simple. If I wanted to add a back door or something else, I would simply push add, trip the device the same way I did, and then it's going to come up, and I can give it the same notification of the ding dong as the front door, or I can give it a different noise. I may the siren was a bit obnoxious, but that might be for a safe contact or something like that if somebody opens a device like that. But you can learn your devices in, give each one their own unique tone so you know what part of your property is being tampered with or opened, and then set your alarm for alarm status. All devices will respond with the same noise.